So, question number one, is AI going to replace me? This is a long and complicated question with a lot of history. My 2 cents, AI is not going to replace you, but your competitor who masters AI first is going to. So the key is AI is an unprecedented leverage point, and yes, garbage in, garbage out, but also brilliance in, brilliance out. So what I see AI doing is not replacing people. Now, yes, it can, but from my perspective, AI is here to augment people. So one of the things I would say is that AI allows us, if we use it right, to be highly leveraged, highly productive, and to amplify what we're already exceptionally good at. Now, if you're terrible at everything, I'm sorry, but AI is just going to make you more terrible, louder, noisier, garbage in, garbage out. So AI is not going to replace you. Others who learn how to use AI well will.